We're good. We're good. We are off day 65. Finally, we're here. Thank God. Day 65 is important because that means there are now only 300 days left. That's right. And tomorrow we will be less than 300. 299. So, yeah, right? Kind of fun. Kind of fun. Okay. Now, what are we looking at? Okay, out of OBS, we got that clear. Codecademy. Good, good, good. And HTML and CSS, 25% of the way through. Tonight's going to be a short stream. It's only going to be part 2 of section 2. All right. Here's what you're building. You'll start to see a pattern with these HTML projects. First, we show you what we'll be making, then we talk through actually making it. In this course, you'll be creating your own social networking profile. Check out our profile for King Kong in index.html and the result tab to the right. King Kong. Nice. Hit save and submit code to the right when you're ready to start building your own profile. Male, 89 years old. I'm a giant Empire State Building, climbing ape, bananas, climbing stuff, HTML, jobs, giant ape, web developer, went to school, Diddy Kong Junior High School, Donkey Kong Senior High School, Harvard University, BA, Yale University, JD, current. Favorite quotes: if at first you don't succeed, climb a giant building. A banana in the hand is worth 2 on the tree. Ridiculous. Save and submit. Next. 2 of 6. No, 2 of 7. You have the power. Have you seen your page on a social networking site load really slowly, then come through with only the HTML skeleton? If not, it looks like this. Crazy, right? Well, we'll click on this. What do we got here? Hopefully. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, we're closing out of that noise. Crazy, right? Under its fancy skin, a social networking profile is just a list of text, images, and links, and you know all about those. We've set up your profile page with the basics, but the details are up to you. First off, let's make this page about you. Put your name between the title tags, put a picture of yourself or anything you like between the body tags. If you can think of a good picture, use this. If you can't think of a good picture, use this ninja. Image, source, blankety blank. We're gonna do this pretty straightforward. Topher, what up? Just in the nick of time. This is gonna be a shockingly short stream, at least. That's what I'm anticipating. There's only 7, and it's CSS. Not that impressive. So, yeah. Good evening, though. Hopefully your night's going well. Title. BDX. Boom. Ink. Head. Body of a something. Copy. We're gonna use their ninja link. Beautiful. Beautiful. A bit about you. Great. Now we know your name and what you look like, but that's about it. Your profile page should include a little bit about you. After all, that's the point of profile in the first place. Create a paragraph below your picture that mentions your age, gender, hometown. Don't get too carried away. We'll get to your interests, favorite things, where you lived, worked, gone to school in the next section. So, what now? We just throwing that in the body? Like a paragraph? You know what? I think the period after the JPEG is thrown off their link. There we go. There we go. Figured that out. Ah, they just want a paragraph. Nice. Going okay. Gotta be up at 4 a.m. for work. So I need to try to sleep soon. Hey, yeah, so does my lady. So I'm gonna be, that's thus the dark streaming session where we're trying to power down as soon as possible. Why are my messages going through twice? Interesting. I only see once on my phone. If that's a thing. Yeah, somewhere in there. Showing up one time on my side. Paragraphs. Really struggling with that caret key. All about no info about me. Beautiful. Just the most detailed personal profile on the internet. Ninja photo, all about me. I don't know what does. Profile sections, nice. It's starting to look like a profile page already. Really? Most profile pages are divided up into sections. Your interests, favorite quotes, where you work, where you went to school, where you live, and so on. We can do this with an unordered list. Below the paragraph about yourself, create an unordered list. Each item should be a category. For example, interest, job, favorite quotes, where I lived, and so on. Pick any topics you like. You should include at least 4. So we're going to have unordered list. Oh, must just be on my side then. Weird. Possibly. That very well could be a thing. Listy McListerson. I'm gonna get Listy. Where are you going? Going nowhere. Copy. 4 things. Interest. Jobs. Favorite quotes. Quote this. Where I lived. Over in the other neighborhood. Very detailed. For the quote, we don't have time, but we should put in the, what is it? Today almost didn't happen because of yesterday. That's a perfect time to put that in. All right. Next. Section 5. We're flying through this. List within list. Now that you have your profile, do we have a profile? We do have a profile. List within list. Now that you have your profile section set up, it's time to add in your favorite things. Raindrops on roses. Dun, 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 dun. No, none of that. None of that. Greatest quote. So when I was blinded by rage and the fury of binary, all good things are forged under pressure, like diamonds. You can do this by creating additional lists with your unordered list. Okay, list tags like this. We've got unordered lists, mega list, ordered list, more nonsense, closing, and closing. Beautiful. Within the list tag for interest, we created an ordered list. No, you didn't. Oh, maybe they mean in general. They thought about it. I think I'm just going to steal theirs. Save on time. Go nuts with your list within lists. The only requirement is that you have at least one ordered list and one unordered. Whoa. Hold the phone. Go nuts with your list and lists. The only requirement is that you have at least one ordered list and one unordered list. I think they're talking about one of these needs to have an ordered list underneath it, and one of these needs to have an unordered list underneath it. Remember, unordered lists work like this, ordered lists work like that. List within list looks like this. Beautiful, beautiful. We're going to steal you, because we can. The Make a List Foundation. Honey. Like where your head's at. Oh god, the formatting. Sweet mother of God. Just an abomination. And ordered list. Ordered list. I don't even think we're gonna swap out item 1 and item 2. Yeah, we're going for hyper efficiency, low effort. At least today. Today's Monday. Monday sucks, right? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is just fascinating. Next lesson, 6 of 7. I mean, this is it. This is what we're talking about. We are upon the end. Fancy up your font. Perfect. Your profile is really coming along. I mean, I don't know why people need an eHarmony account when they could do this. Ninja profile with a couple of general points that really don't address anything. Fancy up your profile. Perfect, your profile's come along. Looks a bit bland. Thankfully, you know how to fancify your fonts with the font family, font size, and font color properties, which is exactly what you're about to do. Instructions. Spice your profile with different font sizes and colors. You can do any combination you like so long as you use font family, font size, and color at least once each. Remember, all these properties of the style, all of these are, remember, these are all properties of the style attribute. To make a red paragraph, you'd write style, color, red, I'm red. We're going to do that right here. And we're going to do 1 10-minute stream. That's right, shotgun stream. We got 365 days of these. We gotta make them count. And only 300 more days left. Day 65. I am totally thrilled about that. Okay, style. We're gonna do font family colon space semicolon font something font size colon space semicolon and color colons. Yes. All right. Font family, Arial. Font size. Font size. Tough choice. Reminds me of what's going down? Reminds me of Patches O'Houlihan. Only 9 miles to go. I guess only only 3. Can't even say it. Dear God. Only 300 days left, I guess, is not really or only 365 days isn't usually the context only is applied to, but that's okay. Here on our stream, this is what we shoot for. What was I thinking of? Font size. Oh, I was compelled to do 18, but I feel like 22 is really the right answer for this particular scenario. I want to do something fun for it. Can we do, I want something with dark, but I don't know, I don't recall how to do the multicolor, like dark green. Maybe that'll work. Maybe just dark green will work. But I thought there was some other way to write dark green. Dark green works. It takes dark green. God damn. That is fantastic. Section 7. We did it, folks. Bold, italic, bold. Great work. Just one more thing. Before you can call your profile complete, you've got to add just the right number of emphasized and strong words, instructions. How many you use is up to you, but you should use M and strong at least once each. Once you do this, hit save and submit code to finish the exercise. Bask in the glory of your newly created profile. I'm gonna need to print this profile out because this is, this is just gold. M's and strong. Italicize. Dun 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 dun. Someone to care for. Alright. Copy. And what do we do? We'll drop this in here. Dun 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 dun. I mean, that's the best damn social networking profile I've seen in a long time. I need to add this to the info panel, like the information channel or whatever column. That's what I need to do. For the about me, I need to put this in there. We'll see. We'll save that for later. I can always come back and get it. But if you ever see it there, you'll know where it came from. Alright, next we'll read the intro and then we're pretty much gonna power this party down. HTML Basics 3, paragraphs and lists are great, but sometimes you want to lay your web page out in a more complex way. Either tables, divs, and spans. HTML Basics 3. That's true. You know what? I guess we haven't gotten to the CSS part yet. I jumped the gun on saying that I was at CSS. We were so close. To come. Introduction. Our HTML journey has been progressing very nicely. We covered 1, how to set up the skeleton of an HTML file. 2, headings, paragraphs, images, and links. 3, font colors, sizes, and types. 4, background colors, aligning text, bolding, and italicizing font. In this course, we'll cover some important structural aspects of HTML, tables, divs, and spans. But, as we know, we're going to save all 15 of those for tomorrow. I think this was a fairly successful micro stream. Right? I'm feeling good about it. It clocked in. And look, and we stopped at 33%. I mean, that's a fun number. Everyone loves the number 33. You know? And look at that. It's been over 20 minutes. That's 21 minutes to be exact. That's 21 minutes of a good time. Awesome. Let's see where we conclude. Day 65, 710 points. With 300 days on the horizon. My profile. It loads. 99 badges. Look at that. We are right there, man. That's good. That's fun. Day 65 includes with a victory 99 badges, 33% of the way through. Hot damn. This was good. We need to do more of these micro streams. Alright. Topher, nice job. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Absolutely. Day 65. Probably going to be a longer stream tomorrow. Not going to lie. This was very brief. But we certainly got what we needed to get done. Stop and stream. Are you sure? Hell yeah. Kill it.